This, uh, this is day 7. I haven't eaten a real meal in a week. My friends called me crazy. My family begged me to quit, but I had to prove them wrong.
Bro, you're gonna starve. They said I'd collapse. They said $1 a day was impossible. But what happened next changed everything. Why would anyone try to live on one meal for a week? Because people judge what they don't understand. Day 1, I felt confident. Rice, beans, cheap veggies. How hard could it be? Turns out, harder than I thought. By day 3, I was sick of eating the same thing. My body craved protein. My brain felt foggy. But I refused to quit. Just give up, man. You look terrible. Watch me. I'm finishing this. Day 5, my energy crashed. I couldn't focus. I almost passed out at the gym. For the first time, I wondered if they were right. I wanted to make her proud. But I couldn't let myself fail. Day 6, I met someone who changed everything. This man had nothing, but he gave me half his food. It wasn't about money anymore. It was about humanity. Day 7, time to face the truth. I did it. I lost 8 pounds, but I gained something bigger. Proof that limits are just illusions. If you're fighting doubters, struggling to be heard, remember this. You're stronger than one meal. Stronger than their laughs. Stronger than you think. They said I'd fail. They said I'd quit. But here I am. Sometimes the people with the least give the most. This isn't just about food. It's about refusing to let the world define you. Smash that like button if you try this. And subscribe. We're just getting started. Okay, not every meal was perfect. Day 2's dinner looked like this. Turns out math isn't my superpower. 2 a.m. on day 4. I'd have traded my soul for a pizza. When life gives you rice, make art. And yes, I might have face-planted. But in the end, she believed in me. You guys made every second worth it. Tap that bell or you'll regret it. This journey was wild, but you made it epic.